Welcome back to Steve Robb Reviews. Today's review, going to save you a lot of money. I got the package on the bench here. It's from Amazon. I'm going to show you how you could save a lot of money if you're shopping on Amazon. Let's go over to the bench. Let's take a look. Okay, so let's get into it right now. Let's open it up. We'll have a little bit of a talk about Amazon. Okay, so as you can see, this is the Amazon inspected sticker, which means, well, it was a returned item. And if you look on the Amazon warehouse, you'll see that they give you a little bit of a description of why it's being sold on the Amazon warehouse in the first place. But this is an air fryer. Let's take a look at how much the retail price was when I looked at it. Now there's the price right there. Now you're going to be amazed at how much I got this for. So let's open this up. Let's take a look. Okay, so it looks like a box inside of a box. Okay, let me just see if I can wrangle this out here. Might not be easy. Is this going to come out? Okay. It's coming out one way or another. Okay. Oh, there we go right there. Now, to me, that looks like it was just opened up in the box, because if you take a look, yeah, there's not like a lid to this. There should be a lid. So it comes with the instruction booklet and everything. And that's the reason why I suspect it was returned, is the box was damaged during shipping, and a lot of times they send it back. So this is it right here. And for all of you that follow the channel long enough, well, you can take a look at my last video there. I showed that the air fryer that I have is massive. It's way too big for me. It's an 8 quart. This is a 3 quart. And here's the basket. It's nice and small, you know, just for me. And many times I'm just going up by myself, or I bring one of my daughters or my girlfriend. And so that's it right there. And what I like about it is, the other one, I got to pull that off to the end of my cabinet at my camp there. The heat comes out of the back. So, I mean, it almost burned the wall right down if you would just leave it that close to the wall. You can see where I got it positioned, but let's just plug it in. There you go. I mean, the lights went on. See, everything works here. The machine works. I have no problem with it. And of course, if you want, you can send it back. So, what did I pay for this? Let's take a look. So take a look at that smoking price. Is that a good price or what? So I mean, that's the difference that you can make by just shopping on Amazon and going to the Amazon warehouse and checking out their prices, because this doesn't have a ding or a dent. Sometimes they'll say, oh, it's got a ding or a dent or a scratch on it or something. This is like brand new, right? So, I mean, the savings was, like including tax, over $100. Big time, over $100. So, when you're thinking about shopping on Amazon, take a look at the warehouse. I'm going to show you how to look at it. I'm going to get my cell phone over here. I'm going to show you how to look at it. Full disclosure, I have no affiliation with Amazon. I'm not an Amazon affiliate, or I don't sell stuff from Amazon on my channel. So this is just strictly me being a purchaser off of Amazon. And I get some smoking deals. You would not believe the deals that I get. I'll mention one in a little bit here, but let's go to the phone and I'll show you how you can do it and how you can shop on Amazon for their warehouse. A lot of people don't even know it exists. And let's go to that next. Okay, so we're on the Amazon website on my phone, and it's similar on the computer. And you just go to this little 3 dots here, press that, and you can shop by category, and you just go up to deals and savings. And here you got the Amazon warehouse deals. Now, you can go by category if you want, or just go to the search bar up at the top here and then punch in whatever subject item you're thinking of buying, and it's as easy as that. But I want to tell you something that I've learned on Amazon, how to get some smoking deals for men, and you're going to find this just incredible. Okay, so if you're looking for shoes, and I've mentioned this in the past, and it's a great thing to pass on for those who've never seen this tip. If you're looking for shoes, men's shoes, and you look on the Amazon warehouse, don't look at men's shoes. I like to use Skechers brand shoes. I like their shoes, and I can usually pick up between $75 and $100 pair of Skechers shoes for probably $20 to $30 brand new. Now I'll tell you how some of this stuff happens. I've run into a couple of people who buy off Amazon. Take for instance my next door neighbor. He'll order 3 pairs of shoes in really close sizes, pick the one that he likes, and send them back. A lot of people seem to do that. So if you take a look at the Amazon warehouse, you'll see lots of shoes. What I like to do is I like to look at the Skechers shoes, but I only look at the women's Skechers. Now, the reason why I get such a smoking deal is I take around a size 9.5 to 10, but if I take a look at women's shoes and I look at size 11, women's size 11 fit me exactly. And I buy the ones that look exactly like the men's, except I have to get the extra wide. So just think about it. If you're a woman, how many women wear size 11 extra wide? Not too many. That's why they dump them on Amazon warehouse, and I pick them up for like $20 to $30 tops for a $100 pair of shoes. They fit me great. There's no difference in the look between the men's and the women's, and that is a great tip when you're looking at getting a pair of shoes on the low cost. And there's so many deals on the Amazon warehouse that I take advantage of it whenever I'm looking for something like this air fryer. I mean, all I did was just do a search on it, and I found it in there. You've seen the price. You can't go wrong. It's just like brand new. So thanks for joining me here today. Come back again. If you haven't seen this channel before, you're welcome to subscribe and see some interesting things you may not see somewhere else. Cheers.